Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol ZOM. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Not sure what I mean by 30-minute. I do offer an explanation video at that link. Quite the eventful day today, but with all the drama, with all the volume, with all the price spiking up all over the place, nothing really happened. What do I mean by that? Well, let me get this pattern into place here, and then hopefully that'll become a little bit more clear. But the bottom portion of this pattern, support is down at that green line of 12 cents. You can see throughout the history of the chart over the past several days, price has been down around this area a bunch of times, including today, where the price slightly got below it before, skyrocketing back to the upside. So that's the bottom portion of this pattern. And then the flip side, the resistance area of the pattern. So let me get this into play. Change this to red for resistance. And the top portion of the pattern right up here at the 13-cent mark. Again, you look at the history of today, and that level definitely came in into play. So in the world of technical analysis, in the world of charts, this is what we would call a sideways channel pattern. Pretty simple, right? That's why I love charts. But all the price has been doing is going sideways, including today. So yeah, today I get it. The price was all over the place. But in all actuality, when all the dust is settled, it's basically right in the middle of the pattern. I mean, it closed right there. So technically speaking, I suppose it's in the lower portion of it slightly, but it's very close to being right in the middle of everything. So you had all sorts of drama. You had all sorts of, action all over the place, but nothing really happened in regards to the pattern. So going forward, assuming you care about more so the bigger picture of things, that's really what it's all about is, you got to wait for something to happen. What could happen? Well, either a breakout to the upside or a breakdown to the downside. But until one of those scenarios plays out, then it's just going to be a lot of choppiness back and forth, where you can have drama like today, but really it's just choppiness. There's nothing that actually happened as far as the bigger picture the bigger picture of the chart is concerned. Now, I would definitely agree that 13 cents probably got weakened up as resistance, but it is still resistance. It is still the top of the channel nonetheless. But let's see how this one takes shape and plays out the week and closes out the week on Friday. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.